Hey everybody, and welcome back to another Blue Apron review. This is the sixth, I think, sixth or sixth? Sixth. Let's go with sixth review that we're doing, and we're gonna be making seared pork chops and barbecue sauce with mashed sweet potatoes. So this is supposed to take from 30 to 40 minutes, including prep time. And it has 690 calories, 63 grams of carbs, 10 grams of dietary fiber, 5 grams added sugars, 28 grams total fat, 11 grams saturated fat, 47 grams of protein, and 1,960 milligrams of salt. So the first step was to get a pot and fill it 3/4 of the way with salted water. So we have that on high right now, getting ready to boil. That's going to be for the potatoes. So let's get into the ingredient list. We have 1 zucchini, a poblano pepper, sweet potatoes. In the knapsack we have European butter, barbecue sauce, demi-glace, chicken demi-glace, or demi-glace, I don't know. And then sliced pickled jalapenos. Okay, so next step, while that's boiling, we're gonna wash and prep the veggies. I'm gonna do that off camera because these babies are hard to cut into, so it's kind of gonna take me a little bit. So I don't want you guys to have to wait through all of that. So when I come back, all of these veggies are gonna be chopped and ready to go. So stay tuned for the next few steps so we can finish up this meal. So what we did was we peeled the sweet potatoes and then we cut them in little cubes. And then we roughly chopped the pickled jalapenos. We cut the zucchini in half moons, half an inch. And then for the poblano pepper, I took out the heart with all the seeds, and then I cut it lengthwise, and then I just sliced it really thin going down. So that's done. Oh, I also forgot to mention in the ingredient list, we have 2 pork chops. I think it's 2. Okay, so the water still hasn't boiled yet because my stove hates me, but it's getting there. So next step, oh, also just FYI, after chopping jalapenos and poblano peppers, make sure to wash your hands vigorously because you touch your face, you touch your eyes, and the spice can get on that, and it sucks. So while the water is boiling and we're getting the potatoes ready to cook, we're gonna start on cooking the other veggies. So first, in a medium pan, heat 2 teaspoons of olive oil on medium-high until hot. Okay, and I did want to mention, guys, I have to have my glasses on. I cannot see the letters on these cards anymore. So if you see like the blue light reflection, I'm so sorry, but I don't have contacts. So the water is boiling for the potatoes, so we're gonna add those slowly. So these are gonna cook for 16 to 18 minutes. So I'm gonna put it for 16 first, per usual. And then if they're softened, I'll cut it. If not, we'll leave it going for a few more minutes. Step 3, cook the vegetables in a medium pan, 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Add the zucchini pieces, sliced poblano peppers, season with salt and pepper, cook stirring occasionally 9 to 10 minutes or until lightly browned and softened. And then we're gonna move them out of the pan and into a bowl. Let's mix them around. Get that, coat all the veggies with oil. Mix up the salt and pepper. 9 to 10 minutes, 14, 5, okay. All right, so we do gotta wait for all of that to finish before we can start on the pork, only because we're gonna use the same pan from the veggies for the pork. All that flavor, you know? So take 5 and we'll be right back. Hey guys, can you see me? I don't know, can you see me? Okay, so, sorry. Veggies are ready, so we're gonna move them. Oh no. I'll give it to the dogs. Put them in this bowl. You know, I really wish I had a cameraman to follow me because, like, follow me around the kitchen so you guys could see, like, the cooking process or, you know, what the veggies look like when they come out. So we're gonna cover that with foil. The potatoes are still boiling. And then step 4 says, cook the pork, pack the pork dry with paper towel, season with salt and pepper on both sides. In the same pan, oh, sorry, we gotta wipe out the pan first. But in the same pan, you're gonna heat 2 teaspoons of olive oil, add the seasoned pork, cook 4 to 5 minutes per side or until browned, and cook through, leaving any of the fond in the pan. Transfer to the cutting board and let it rest. So, let's wipe this baby out. Sorry, I think my shirt hit the mic there. I'm trying to find the best possible place to put it where my clothes or sweater, or my shirts or sweaters don't hit it. I keep my hair up so my hair doesn't hit it. And it doesn't really interfere too much with my movement, but I've gone from here to here, and I guess we'll see. Alexa, turn off Sensi. Gracias. We just got some new Sensi wax bars, and as usual, I'm outvoted. The boys like the mint scent, and so it's like really strong. So it smells like tea tree in here, or like the Andes chocolates from Olive Garden, and I hate it so much. It's so disgusting. It's no good. It's no good. Now, let's get these babies cooking. This might be loud, sorry. So, it said what? 4 to 6 minutes per side? Yeah, 4 to 6 minutes per side. And then in the meantime, I'm gonna wash this stuff really quick. Okay. Oh, sorry. Sorry, my back hurts when I stand for too long. Okay. Oh yeah. Potatoes, we gotta check if they're ready. So the timer is gonna go off in 14 seconds. Ooh, yeah. Look at that mash. So now we're gonna drain these. For those, we are doing half the butter, and then we're gonna season with a drizzle of olive oil and salt and pepper. And then mash it all up. I keep wanting to cough, and then the fog is fogging up my glasses, or the steam is fogging up my glasses, so I have to like look away, defrost, and then come back. Ow, and the handle's hot. So the potatoes are ready. let's just cover them so that they stay warm. Now we just gotta wait for the pork to cook. We'll work on the sauce and then we'll plate it. All right, so the pork has about 7 seconds, so I'm gonna take it out, set it on the cutting board, and let it rest and finish cooking, and so all the juices can just like get sucked back in. So now we're gonna do the sauce. So while this is resting in the pan, you're gonna add the barbecue sauce. Oh no. Then we're gonna add the demi-glace, gloss, I don't know. This stuff, it's like syrup. No, I mean, it's like eel sauce, or that's the consistency. And then mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. It's already pulling all of the fond from the bottom of the pan. It's lifting it off so easily. Season with salt and pepper, of course. And then it says cook on medium-high, stirring frequently and scraping up any fond, 30 seconds to a minute until combined. Then turn off the heat and add the rest of the butter. Stir it until melted and then taste it. So the sauce was the last step. The butter's melting. Now that we're done cooking everything, I'm gonna go ahead and plate it. You'll see the picture in the thumbnail as usual, and then we'll get the review going. All right, so here we are with the final product. It looks really delicious. It's very, what is it, eye-catching, right? Or pleasing to the eye. The sauce I put on both the sweet potatoes and the pork, and then I drizzled the pickled jalapeno, so let's taste it. Okay, that was not a thumbs up. No spoilers. This side of the plate is super good. The sauce, because it has barbecue sauce, you would think that it's sweet. It's not. It's tangy and kind of salty, but not in a negative way. Like the salt and the sweetness of the barbecue and then the tanginess of the other sauce, perfect match. The pork, crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, also very juicy. Pork is a little difficult to cook because it does dry out like really quickly if you don't cook it right. But in this case, Blue Apron knew what's up. The sweet potatoes, super good, creamy, soft, no chunks because I don't like chunks. I do like it better with the sauce than without it. It's really good, it's very well seasoned. I'm just not a big fan of sweet potato, but with the sauce, it's my jam. Now the veggies are good, but they're kind of lacking in flavor, I guess. Like the textures work well. The zucchini's crunchy, juicy. The poblano peppers, you can barely even taste them. But I do think that the pickled jalapenos are too much for those veggies. They're a little spicy. I don't mind it, but my kid does. But I took a bite of all of it together, and all I could really taste is the jalapenos, nothing else. So I would give this plate I'm gonna go with a 9 out of 10. I mean, this side was really, really good and totally makes up for most of the lacking of the veggies. And it took 30 to 40 minutes staying true to the card, so I really like that. That's all I have for you guys today. Again, as always, thank you for watching. Please remember, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share my video, get it out there so everybody can see and come and check out these reviews. next week or in the next episode. That's going to be the last review for Blue Apron. And then in that video, I'm going to review or reveal which meal kit delivery service. I'm tongue-tied. In the next video, I'll be revealing which delivery service I'm going to be trying next. So you don't want to miss it. Stay tuned. I hope these are informative. Like I said, questions, comments, suggestions, leave them down below in the comment section. And I will see you guys later. Y'all have a good night. Toodaloo.